We'll guide you through how to connect Steam to Xbox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to go and connect and link your Steam and Xbox account. We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. So make sure it is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So come down to the bottom of your computer and find the search, and you want to go and click there. Then what you want to do is go and type in Xbox. We're going to use the Xbox app. So open it up, wait for it to go and launch. You want to come to the top left to where you can go and see your name and go and click there. Go down and find the option for settings and tap that there. Now what you want to do is come to the left into account, and you can go and scroll down to linked accounts, and you want to go and find Steam. Go and press link like so. Now your web browser should go and open up. It's asked me to go and sign in first of all with my Microsoft and Xbox, so I'll go and press use your password and enter it here. You can go and choose whether you want to go and stay signed in. Then it should go and bring you to Steam here. Now I'm actually already signed into my Steam account. Otherwise you need to go and enter in your username and password. And then what we can do is go and press sign in, and I can press open Xbox, choose if you want to have the icon showing on your profile. And that's it.